Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This video I'm going to be showing you guys this new celebrity booking website, which has a lot of features. User can actually book for a fan card, can book for an event, which has a lot of plan and stuff like that. And this particular celebrity website has different payment methods like bank transfer. User can actually book celebrity with bank transfer, with cryptocurrency, and you can also see book with gift card too. Right. So in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you guys how the site actually works and how you can actually set up this particular website for yourself. All right, let's go straight into the video. As you can see, this is actually the homepage of this particular website. All right, so in this particular celebrity website, user will have to actually register on this particular website. All right, so this is the homepage. You can see it's really beautiful. As you can see, all right. So this is just like the list of celebrities that are available right now. So you can add that directly from the admin. All right, so let's go straight to the Okay, I'm already logged in already. So as you can see, I'm logging to my account already. So once you log in, you should be seeing something like this. All right. Let's go to celebrities. Let's start from here. Celebrities. All right. So a list of celebrities that are available. All right. So if you want to book a celebrity, so you just click on view profile and book. All right. So once you click on that, so you can see the celebrities and author, these ratings, happy fans, all these can be controlled directly from the admin. All right. So let's scroll down. All the details are coming directly from the admin. So if you don't want to book for a celebrity, let's say you want to book a regular fan card, VIP fan card, gold card, VIP rare card, right? Or you want to book personal meet up experience or event booking service. So users can actually still do that. All right. So let's start with the regular fan card. Regular fan cards, click on that. So you have to choose your payment method which you want to use, like Ethereum, Bitcoin, bank transfer, manual. Let's go with Bitcoin. All right. So click on that. So it's going to take you to the payment part now. So you can see. So when the payment part already, you can see this is the fan card, the regular fan card. So the name of the celebrity is there. The start is actually pending right now. So like I said, we have three payment methods on this particular website. So the first one is bank transfer. You can click on bank transfer. So if you scroll down, you can see your bank name, your account name, account number, routing number, the amount to pay. So once you're done with that, you just upload the proof of payment right there. So let's say cryptocurrency. You can see it's $50 supposed to pay. So automatically that amount has been converted to Bitcoin already. So if you're using Bitcoin, Bitcoin will be there, the address will be there. So Ethereum, the amount already converted for you. So you can just copy the address. I will show you guys how to actually set up the address. So you put it on USDT, you can see 50 USD. That is perfect. So once you do that, you can just click on upload screenshot. So I agree, complete payments. All right. You can see payments submitted successfully, awaiting verification. I can see that's how you can book PAN card and all of that for that one. So let's say we want to book on personal meet experience. So book now. All right. So now you're going to choose your preferred dates, put your dates right there. Put your dates, put your time. All right. So your location, let's say UK. Purpose of the meeting, interview. You can see others wherever you want. So additional information can go there. Then proceed to payment. All right. All right. So this is like a summary of what else you are booking. You can see location, the type, everything, the amount. So you can see pay with bank transfer or cryptocurrency right there too. So let's say we're paying with cryptocurrency. All right. So we just select our. Let's say we're going with Bitcoin. You can see the address is there. You can copy that. Let's submit the proof. Let's say I've actually made payment to that particular address. So we submit the proof right here. Let's say submit this. Just agree. I'll send the payment. All right. If you want to book for event booking service, click on book now. All right. Event details, can put event there. Let's put a random text there. Set the date of the of the event. Click on that. So just put a random time there, number of attendance, just leave a random text, then description, special request, just put anything there. All right. Let's say proceed to payment, $500 for that. So you can edit that price from the admin. I will show you that in a minute. All right. So I can see the details, like the summary of what you are booking. Let's say we are paying with bank. Let's say bank transfer. All right, bank transfer. Submit your proof of payment right here. So just put the proof. Let's say proof of payment. Right. Agree. Then submit bank transfer. All right, perfect. As you can see, we just book that celebrity already. As you can see, you can just see the details of everything about successful and all of that. All right, so that's how you can actually book. As you can see, I have different payment methods. So let's go to my profile. So my profile, we have just like a summary of your account. So you can change your password from this part. Then we have my fan cards. All right, you can see my fan card right here. As you can see, my fan cards. So the fan card you have, and see this completed is pending, waiting for approval and stuff like that. All right, so let's go to transactions right here. All right, so transactions, you can see all your um bookings you have done. As you can see, the one we did earlier just now, bank transfers, you can see it's under review already. As you can see some right here already. So let's go to bookings. Bookings will be my bookings. So you can see this is the one we did just now. You can see it right here. It's actually pending. You can see the history of all your bookings you have done on this particular website. All right, so let's go back there. Let's see what's the next tab there. All right, so that's all about this particular part. So go back to my dashboard. All right, so this is the dashboard. So once you log in, this is where it will take you to. You can see your total fan card, bookings, total history, amount spent. You have your recent transaction history right here, as you can see. So that's all about this the user side of this particular celebrity booking website. So next part we're talking about is the admin dashboard. All right, so once you log into your admin, it will take you straight to this particular part which you are seeing right now. So this part is the list of all your celebrities on this particular website. So you can view, I click on view, and just view all the details assigned to this particular celebrity right here, as you can see right here. All right, so that's for the view part. Then we can also still edit this particular celebrity. So click on edit. All right, so see, you can edit the particular celebrity right here. All right, so that's all for that part. So let's go to add celebrities. Once click on add celebrities, all right, so you can put the celebrity name, the category, just put anything there, the profile image, the ranking, happy fan, donation, all of that, the amount, description, the language, and all of that right there. All right, so once click on save celebrity, that celebrity will be added to this particular website. So pending payments will be the payments which users have actually booked, right? So you can just click on approve. All right, click on approve. So once click on approve, you're seeing payment approved successfully. All right. So that's all for that. All right, so that's all about this particular website. So next part of this particular video will show you guys how you can actually set up this particular website for set up for your client. All right. So the first thing we need is your cPanel details, which is your domain name and hosting. All right. So once I put your domain name and hosting, if you don't know how to do that, you can contact the number below this particular video. All right. So once login to your cPanel, take you straight to this interface which you are seeing right now. So the first thing you need to do is to go to File Manager. Once click on File Manager, all right. Click on File Manager. See this. Just scroll down. Look for public underscore HTML right here. Double click on that to enter that. All right. All right. So in this particular video, I'm going to be uploading my inside a subdomain. I already have a subdomain already, which I've created already, which is this right here. This is subdomain. So I'm going to be uploading my file inside my subdomain. If you're uploading yours inside your public underscore HTML directly, just follow the same step which I am doing. All right. So once click on upload, all right, select files. All right, so this is the file right here. Click on that. Just wait for it to finish uploading. So once it gets to 100% and the color change to green, you just know that has finished uploading. So let's give it some time to finish uploading. All right, it's uploading. Error your phone now. That setting, go delete and go to setting now. Settings. This. So this it's not controlling anything, sha. Has changed to green already. So I finished uploading. I can see that it's in 100% already. So just have to cancel that. Reload this particular page right here. So you can see the zip file right here. So right click to extract right here. Click on extract files. All right. So once you see this, just know that the file has finished extracting already. So you can just close that. Then reload this particular page. Then you can delete this particular file right here. All right. So we don't need the zip file anymore. So we have a folder right here. Double click on that to enter. Select all. Then move it straight to my subdomain. If you upload yours inside a public underscore HTML, you should just move everything, clear everything you're seeing should just be like this. That's if you upload it into the public underscore HTML, which is the main directory. So, but I uploaded mine into a subdomain, so I don't need this folder anymore. Just move it straight to my subdomain. Click on move files. Alright, so once you see this, just know that the file has moved already. The next part of this particular video now is to actually create our database. Alright, so to create our database, go back to this very first page. That means log your cPanel. Just search for DB, search for database wizard. Alright. Alright. Let's wait for it to load. Alright. So now we have to create our database. Alright. So we can just give it any name of your choice. Let me name my own DB. Database name will be DB. Alright. Okay, database name already exists. Let me create something else. Let's say test2. That's my database name, test2. Let me copy this. Test2. Next step. Alright. So now I have to create our user. So I want to use the same name for everything. My username will still be test2. Then for my password, you can just click on generate password, then copy this password, then click on have copy this password, then click on use password. But I don't want to do that. I want everything to be the same. So what I'll just copy this. That will be my password. Copy this to be my password, then click on create user. Alright. Alright. Allow all privileges. You can click down, make changes or next step, whatever one. Just click on, I'll click on make changes. Alright. Alright, so that can be created. So now, the next thing you need to do is to actually use those details which we created. So once you have extracted the file, you see a folder called config. This one right here, click on that. Then you edit this db.php. Open that db.php. Right now, put your database name right here, your password right here, db name right here. So save that. Then go back to admin db, this particular right here. Right click and click on edit. Alright. So do the same thing right here. Username, password, database name. So click on save. Alright. So let's go back to the very first part we set database name. So we have something here called crypto address. Alright. So your crypto address will allow users to make deposit to your to actually book celebrity. So you can change your crypto address right here. This particular part right here, Bitcoin. So you can just clean everything off and put your Bitcoin address right there. The same thing for your Ethereum address and your USDT address right there. So you can set your bank name, account number, then your routing number right here. So whatever detail you set here, that's what the user will be seeing when you want to make payments. So once you are done with that, don't forget to click on save. Don't forget to do that. Click on save. All right. So now we have created our database already. So we need something called our SQL. SQL, this particular folder that I've seen right here. Click on it to enter. You can double click on it or right click and click on download to do that. So I've done that already. So go back to this particular page right here. Click on search for PHP myadmin. This particular right here. Click on it. All right. All right. So you just have to look for the database which you created. Database which you created. Don't pay you should not you will not see anything like this in your own. So look at the database you created, which is this. I created test 2. This right here. Click on it. Test 2. All right. Click on import. Import right here. All right. So click on browse. So just database which you SQL file which you downloaded. Click on open. Then click on import. So when this finish importing, you see something like a green showing successful. You just know that the database has finished uploading already. All right. So the next part of this thing video is to actually set up our email. All right. So to do that, so go back to this config folder right here. Config. Click on function.php. This one right here. Click on edit. All right. All right. So the first part is your host. So your host will be your domain name. So to get a domain name, you go back to tools right here. All right. Go back to tools. Your domain name will be right here. As you can see, your domain name will be right here. All right. So you can put your domain name right there. Then now to create the email, search for email account right here. Or you can just click on it right here. Email account. All right. So you just create your email right here. To do that, just click on create. So once click on create, so whatever name you want it to be, you can click on support. You can click on support mail no reply. Once you do that, put your password right here. Right. Once you have created that, you should have something like this. All right. So you just put your email right here with the email you created, which will be that is support. It will be support at your domain name. The password you created will be here. Your email here, then the name of your site will be here. All right. So once you do that, just click on save. Don't forget to click on that. Click on save. All right. So once you click on save, just know that it's done already. All right. Let's check if our SQL has finished importing. All right. Perfect. You can see your SQL has finished importing. So that's how you can set up this particular website for yourself. It's very, very easy to do and straightforward. All right. So see you guys in the next video. All right. So if you follow each and every step of this particular video, you should not have any issue at all. See you guys in the next video.